So, good evening, Ma'am MJ. So, I'm Joseph D. Dupla Jr. and this ID3. So, the first is declaring doctype HTML for the server or the files name HTML5 server version 5 I mean, version 5 HTML version 5. Then the head is meta charset. So, indicate for the charsets using it for the layout responding for the mobile, and this is my name of the browser you can see at the top. So it's sa tab makita, and link to external CSS style. So separated yung files for the visual, para makita na to ang mga design sa quiz or the colors layout. So next is the body. So div ID, this is the quiz container, the whole quiz interface. So header 1, muni ang dako nga makita sa screen or the visual layout. Kita ang general knowledge later makita to. Next is the question container. Everything inside this handles one quiz question. And next is the paragraph ID question. Ano siya sulod sa diary nga part. So the question si JavaScript ang bahala sa question. So nato na explain later. Next is the choices. This is an order list. It will be populate with clickable answer using JavaScript. So if ato siyang i-click, so atay answer no. And the feedback after choosing the answer, uh paragraph will show out whether it's correct or wrong. So the next button here, so one click for the next button, it will trigger the next question. So if i-click nimo ang next na question, wait lang, naka-record ba? So if i-click nimo ang next question after selecting, so next na siya question, no? So the score, paragraph ID score, and close paragraph. After answering those questions, magawas ang scores nato sa the end. So let's jump into JavaScript. So first is a const question and equals to bracket. So ang mga question nato guys. So I'm using a arrays, then Paris, Rome, Berlin, and Madrid. So this is malta question niya. Question, what is the capital of France? So these are the choices, and already input the correct answer. So if the users will select Rome, so mo ay output na kay Rome siya. So next is the let current question index. So it keeps track with a question the player's own. So makita ang question and how many score. Let score and counts how many counted correct or how many correct answer nga nakuha sa users. So these are the elements from JavaScript, elements references. So these are the JavaScript to the elements in my HTML here. So the code can update content, the diameter dynamically. So cons question, choices, feedback, score, and the next button. So, muna sila makita nato diri. So, connected na sila. For the function show question, so this display the current question. Loads the current question and display it on the question. So, ma-display siya. And sa mo display siya dito sa ID kani I mean ID question. So next is the check answer. Check answer when a user select an answer, the function is compares these users choice to correct answer. It's either wrong or correct. So increment the score if the answer is correct. Or answer. Yes. Correct and incorrect answer. Disable all further clicks on choices for a multiple. So naka-indicate na pala ko dahil if ang user kay mamili siya, isa ra gid yang mapili no. So hindi na siya maka-multiple og pili and it will update the scores after clicking the next button. So the next question function, uh, increment the question inbox. So another question inbox na sad siya. And every time i-click ang next button, so there magkabasa po itong mga next question na to, no? Kani sila. Kani. And the end of or the show final result. So this will be the end of the quiz, displaying a final message. So kani if ang user kay naka-perfect, great job, no? So if ang ang user kay nasa wrong, so it will pop up the good effort. So if nothing, uh you can do better. And magkos ang final score. And if ang user wala ga answer is indicate na. So these are the layout or the visual quiz na makita to sa screen. So I'll try to run it. Ayun ka. Ano? Ano? Okay. So let's try. So try na to e-perfect. Okay, next. William Shakespeare. Next. Jupiter. Next. Correct. So I have 3 score. So French. So 3 round score. So ang makabutang ani ayaw pang mabutang ani katong to? Good effort. Yon, good effort siya. Good effort ang nakabutang. So let's try again. Paris. Next. If try natin perfect. Next. Jupiter. And wait lang. Portuguese ba ito? Wait. Perfect. So, great job. So, try nating E0. Next. Next. You can do better. But if itry, so wala, none. So, that's all, ma'am. Thank you and good evening.